and welcome back to Ajayasthomani Guru, your source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodity markets. I'm Ria, and today we are focusing on the most electrifying story in the base metals complex, copper, which has surged to fresh record highs, driven by powerful macroeconomic tailwinds. On Friday, copper prices on the Shanghai Futures Exchange, or SHFE, surged to fresh all-time highs, extending gains for the third consecutive week. This bullish sentiment is overwhelmingly driven by policy cues coming straight from the world's largest copper consumer, China. The most traded SHFE January 2026 copper contract was last quoted significantly higher at 93,880 yuan per ton. During the session, prices touched an astounding all-time high of 94,080 yuan per ton, clearly underscoring the strength and momentum of China-led buying interest. The London Metal Exchange, or LME, benchmark 3-month copper contract also remains near its own historical peak. While it pulled back marginally to $11,855 per ton on Friday, it remains firmly higher on a weekly basis, confirming the global breadth of this Asian-led rally. The core reason for this spectacular surge lies in China's economic planning. A readout from the recent annual Central Economic Work Conference revealed that Chinese leaders have pledged to maintain proactive fiscal policy throughout 2026. This commitment has dramatically reinforced market expectations for sustained government-backed spending on infrastructure, large-scale power grid expansion, and manufacturing support. These sectors are, without a doubt, the major long-term demand drivers for copper, earning it the nickname Dr. Copper. While China is leading the charge, global monetary policy is adding significant fuel to the fire. The rally received strong support from the US Federal Reserve's recent 25 basis point rate cut this week. Lower interest rates, coupled with the Fed's decision to resume purchases of short-dated government bonds, have greatly improved global liquidity conditions. This accommodative macro environment makes holding non-yielding industrial metals like copper more attractive to institutional investors. However, traders must note that the rally's leadership remains firmly with China, as reflected in the sharper gains and new record pricing specifically seen on the SHFE. The high prices are also underpinned by fundamental market tightness. Persistent mine supply disruptions globally, combined with heavy flows of copper moving into the United States for stockpiling, have severely constrained availability in the markets outside the US. This ex-US tightening is amplifying the impact of China's stronger policy expectations, creating a perfect structural bull scenario. The coming month could see a major move in copper. Will prices consolidate near these record highs before attacking the next psychological barrier, or will a profit-taking correction pull back the recent gains? For our advanced, proprietary analysis on the specific price levels that will confirm the continuation of this bull trend or signal a temporary market correction, giving you the analytical edge you need, please contact us. Our number is displayed on your screen and in the description box below. Connect with us for advanced analysis to confidently navigate this historically volatile and profitable period. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Ajayasthomani Guru for more market-moving insights, and I'll see you in the next.
सोनाक्षी की रसोई में आज की स्पेशल गेस्ट है मौसमी चैटर्जी जी।
ये जी नहीं, मौसमी आंटी।
ओके आंटी मौसमी, तो आज आप क्या बनाएंगी?
मैं क्यों बनाऊं? मैं तो गेस्ट हूँ। आप बनाओ, हम खाएंगे। एक्टिंग में तो हिट हो। अब खाना बनाओ सुपर हिट।
ठाट से बनाऊंगी खाना, है ना द बेस्ट एवरीडे मसाला। आओ बनाते हैं मसालेदार छोले।
छोले
हर रोज के करी में एवरीडे मसाले, शाही बिरयानी में स्वाद का जायका।
पटल पोस्तो और সর্ষে ইলিশ ভাপা।
Everyday spices.
साफ मसाले, खुशबू और प्योर झाग, टेस्ट से भर दे हर जुबान पे स्वाद।
एवरीडे मसाले, देश का स्वाद।